how's it going, YouTube? So this was the Traxxas Bandit converted into a Traxxas Slash drag build. So the build is pretty much complete. Do have a supercharged blow on there. Also got a parachute in the back. It's not active. Got the wheelie bar. I went with some DE Racing slicks. And the front is just the Bandit tires with some new rims. I wanted to go with the stock Bandit wheels, but I didn't bring the tires with me when I went to the hobby shop, so I didn't know if it was gonna fit them or not. But next time we'll see for sure, because I was going for the chrome look on the wheels, but the black kind of made it pop a little bit. Still want to see what the chrome look like. But anyway, we're gonna set this up, get some testing in. First time out testing, we're gonna see what's going on. All right, y'all, I'm gonna put a camera down there at the 132 feet because I want to see how it's coming through, and then we'll go from there. As long as we get it down the road, we'll make it do what it do. All right, y'all. All right, you two gonna get a couple passing without the front bump bar. See how it's doing. A lot better, I'll tell you that. Hitting nice though, hitting nice off the line. She hitting nice. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm running right now. I gotta wait to set up on the DTS, but I'm liking that. She got the realistic bumps on there. And out there nice. I'm liking these tires. I think it's sideways on me there. Try to come out the hole a little too hard. Now let me know what y'all think. Look at it. How that thing come through. Alright, so another thing is I haven't glued the front tires yet. That's probably why I'm getting a lot of pull, because I see this front tire up here is off. But I haven't glued it because I'm not sure if I'm gonna stay with these black wheels or go with the chrome ones. So I'm gonna still wait and find out. But still hitting with them tires out. Hey man. Yeah, she running. She running. Let me go shut that camera off down there because they don't hold the footage when it take too long. Alright guys, I went ahead and tighten up the slipper clutch just a little bit. See what she do now. Not allowed AVC or TSM, none of that in the street eliminator class. You got to dial these cars in on your own. So right now this is all off the muscle. There's no AVC in here, nothing. I was gonna stay with a regular TQ remote, but I got adjustments in here with my throttle and steering trim and all that I could deal with, so I just left it for that. Oh yeah. Running nice. Liking this build, man. Having fun with it so far. Definitely want to get some different tires. I'm liking these now, but I think I want to get some different tires. Sorry about the wind, guys. Alright guys, I know I said it already, but a few more test hits and I'm out of here. She running pretty good. I just gotta put it on the tree and see where I need to go from there. And then, well, she hitting nice. I hear the front tires. I need to glue them down, but I'm trying to see if I get these tires this weekend. I'll go chrome. If anything, I just glue these on and buy another set of banded tires. I'm liking the front banded tires. But I hear the tire going down that road, I hear it opening, and that's gotta be the front one. Anyway, she's going straight. Let me know what y'all think about the build. We all gonna go to the table, let me show y'all the setup. And we go from there, but let's get another test hit in and then call it a day. Yeah, nice. I ain't got no complaints. No complaints. Look nice, everything. It's getting through there though. Definitely. I'll put a GPS on it next time. I'll probably bring it right back out. If not today, tomorrow. Get a quick see how much miles an hour I'm getting on 132 feet and then go from there. Right now, man, happy with this build. Looks good though. Definitely look good. Look at that thing. You see too many Traxxas Bandit or Traxxas / drag builds with this body, so I figured it was unique. She's getting down through there. We're gonna call it a wrap. We're gonna take it to the table and go from there. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the build so far, how she running. I'm still thinking I need a little bit more speed, but I won't know till I get it on the tree. So we'll go from there. Alright YouTube, so we back on the bench. Just want to show y'all the setup. So it did pretty good as far as the first testing. You know, I gotta do my tweaks and get the car dialed in. Some boys is fast in this class. Anyway, give y'all a quick spin of the body. You know, y'all seen that already. So let me go ahead and show y'all what's underneath, how I set this up. So as far as ESC, I didn't have no temp scale ESC, so I had to make an adapter and use the Mamba Monster X. So I'm using this ESC. I used the adapters with a castle motor. I'm running it censored. I got my cap pack up here. You know, I got everything. So I'm using the stock front banded tires with Proline rims, and then in the back I went with some DE Racing slicks. I think this is the clay compound, and as y'all see, look at that tire already. So I am going to try. These had like should have showed y'all these before, but these had like a rubber. If y'all still see it, it got like threads in there. They're almost gone, but it didn't really have much, as y'all see right here. That's how it came. But I think I want to go with some flat slicks. Hopefully those last longer. Y'all got any recommendations? Y'all let me know. That's how I got my wheelie bar set up. Shout out to Milo for the wheelie bar. Appreciate that, bro. Also for the cap. Yeah, that's how I got the car set up. I need to do some more tuning. Definitely need to do some more tuning. So another thing is I wanted to add, I didn't get the, well, I didn't want to add this, I'm gonna get to that, but I didn't get the Proline mounts. They didn't have them, so I went with the Traxxas ones. It still fit. Everything was good. I also got that body from Kev. Shout out to Kev for the body. I had got that like months ago, and it ended up being a Traxxas drag build body. So it mounted right to the holes. Next thing I need to do is take this out, get a direct turn. And this is what I wanted to add. See, I have no like weight. Got one single weight that was already on the bandit when I got it. But I have a metal bumper. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to run that. I'll find out. But I do want to test it with and without this, just to see the difference and go from there. But just want to show y'all how the car was built and set up. I got the stock transmission. I got the stock dry shafts. I think I might upgrade to the heavy duty ones. But for right now, I'm gonna see how long these rock out. Yeah, but that's pretty much how the car's set up. I don't have a lock diff. Anyway, so I'm gonna go back out. So y'all probably see some more testing in this video. If not, I'll save it for the next one. So, either way, y'all stay tuned and let me know what y'all think about the build. I want to put down some numbers. I'm gonna get the tree out to see what she doing, and then I'm gonna go from there. But I need some new tires, so I'm gonna practice on these for now and burn these out. But I'm gonna get some better tires. Anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all like that build. She came out good. Oh, also, these are the tires rims I wanted to use. I just need to find some tires to get on those, because I think the chrome would definitely pop. Oh, sorry about that. I'm always dropping stuff. But I think the chrome would definitely pop. So y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Anyway, I'm out.